Alright guys, so here's the issue. This is my e46 325 2002. I thought it was originally the transmitter in here that just wasn't telling the car to turn on. So I changed the battery and now the locks and shit work. I just can't get it to start. Was trying fucking around with the clutch safety switch. Didn't really want to, but every time I turn it on, it gives me solid like fuel pump noises and everything. But listen. Nothing. And I go turn it again now. It's locked. And I have to take it out the ignition to try it again. That clicking you heard back there is just the, like that knocking is the convertible motor. I think it's seized on it. But yeah, I've heard you can do the EWS, all that, and test to see if your starter and ignition are fine. But if any of you have seen that, please let me know.